So the hardest expanding brackets you will ever get is expanding triple brackets. So expand and simplify x plus 3 in brackets, x minus 4 in brackets, and 2x plus 5 in brackets. If you want to give this a go and attempt it, pause the video now, and then we'll come back to it in a bit. Right, so I hope you gave that a good go. So let's see whether we came out with the same answer. So what I'll do now, I'm going to try and be a bit clever and make my life easier, and I'm just going to focus on these two. So I'm going to rewrite these two brackets out and ignore this one for the time being. I'll come back to that one later, okay? X plus 3 and x minus 4 in brackets. And I'll expand that like we normally do with expanding brackets. So we do x times x, which is x squared, x times minus 4, which is minus 4x, plus 3 times x, which is plus 3x, and plus 3 times minus 4, which is minus 12, okay? Then you combine the x's because you have to obviously simplify. So we've got minus 4x plus 3x. So that obviously gives you minus x, and I'll just plop in the other bits. So x squared and minus 12 either side, okay? Now, once you get to this bit, we're nearly there. We now need to get back with involving this guy into the whole situation. So we're going to bring this down here, and we're basically going to multiply whatever we got for the previous answer by the remaining bracket, 2x plus 5, okay? So we have x squared times 2x, which is, in fact, let me draw that in. X squared times 2x, which is 2x cubed. X squared times plus 5, which is plus 5x squared, minus x times the same 2x, which gives you minus 2x squared, minus x times 5x, and then finally minus 12 I'm going to deal with. So minus 12 times the same 2x gives you minus 24x, and same minus 12 times by positive 5 gives you minus 60, okay? So now we've got this, all we have to do is now simplify this really long expression that we have down here, okay? So I'm just going to find out or look for the things that are the same here, and the only things I can see are the same are my x squared terms here and my x terms here, okay? So I'm going to combine those and we should have our final answer. So I'm going to just start by writing 2x cubed. Then we have 5x squared minus 2x squared, which gives you plus 3x squared. Then we also have minus 5x minus 24x, which gives you minus 29x. And then you have a minus 60 at the end. And that's that. It's a bit more involved. That's why they claim this is a higher question, but still doable if you just take your time and you understand the basic principles when it comes to expanding brackets.